Welcome back to Automation Hub. Today, we are taking a close and detailed look at the 2026 Double Floor Motorhome, a vehicle that represents the perfect combination of luxury, innovation, and practicality for modern travelers. From the very first glance, this motorhome captures attention with its bold and commanding presence, a design that balances elegance and ruggedness in one package. The deep, glossy red exterior immediately draws the eye, enhanced by subtle chrome accents and aerodynamic curves that not only improve efficiency but also give the vehicle a refined and polished look. Every line and contour has been meticulously sculpted, emphasizing the double floor design that not only increases interior space but also provides a commanding stance on the road. The front fascia is impressive, featuring a panoramic windshield that gives drivers an unobstructed view, LED headlights that provide both style and function, and sleek daytime running lights and indicators that ensure visibility and safety in all conditions. The front also incorporates modern sensors and cameras that assist in driving, parking, and maneuvering such a large vehicle with ease. As you move around the exterior, the attention to detail continues. Polished alloy wheels, integrated side mirrors, and sculpted body panels combine aesthetics with practicality. The rear design is equally captivating, with vertically aligned taillights, a wide rear window, and carefully designed chrome badging. The double floor structure is evident even from the outside, giving the motorhome a towering, elegant profile that balances style with functionality. High-quality tires, durable paint finishes, and reinforced materials ensure the motorhome is not only beautiful but built to last and capable of handling diverse terrains. Lighting, both front and rear, is a focal point, with advanced LED technology ensuring the vehicle is always seen and recognized on the road. Indicators and turn signals are sharp, responsive, and visually appealing, enhancing the overall look and adding to the safety features that are a top priority for this model. Stepping inside the 2026 Double Floor Motorhome, you are immediately welcomed into a world of luxury and comfort. The interior is designed to feel like a high-end apartment on wheels, with a spacious lounge area featuring plush leather seating in elegant beige and brown tones. Ambient LED lighting adds warmth and can be adjusted to create the perfect mood for relaxing, socializing, or working. The double floor layout allows for distinct zones within the motorhome, providing privacy and functionality. The kitchen area is a masterpiece of design and practicality, equipped with built-in appliances, ample storage, sleek cabinets, and a smart digital control panel that allows you to manage the lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems effortlessly. The floors are finished with high-quality wood panels that add warmth and elegance, and every surface is crafted with precision to combine style with durability. The sleeping areas are equally impressive, with comfortable beds, large windows that flood the space with natural light during the day, and soft ambient lighting for nighttime comfort. Storage is intelligently designed, allowing travelers to keep their belongings organized, whether on a short trip or an extended journey. Technology is at the heart of this motorhome, enhancing both convenience and safety. The dashboard features a fully digital display, offering real-time information about navigation, fuel efficiency, vehicle diagnostics, and more. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera system make handling this large vehicle easier and safer than ever. The elevated driving position provides excellent visibility, while precise steering and responsive braking ensure confidence on both highways and city streets. Connectivity options allow passengers to seamlessly integrate mobile devices, access entertainment, and receive real-time traffic updates, making every journey as smooth and enjoyable as possible. The double floor design of the motorhome provides remarkable versatility, allowing for dedicated spaces for work, entertainment, and leisure. Passengers can enjoy foldable tables, modular seating arrangements, and specialized storage compartments for everything from sports equipment to electronics. The interior layout is thoughtfully planned to maximize comfort and utility, offering the perfect environment for families, friends, or solo travelers. Climate control is highly efficient, maintaining a consistent and pleasant temperature throughout the motorhome, regardless of external weather conditions. Every detail, from the lighting to the materials used, is designed to create a harmonious and comfortable living space on the move. Entertainment and lifestyle features are equally impressive, with a high-definition television, premium sound system, and multiple connectivity options for streaming, gaming, and remote work. Passengers can enjoy a cinematic experience while traveling, or use the space for productivity, all without compromising on comfort. Smart systems allow for easy control of interior lighting, climate, and security features, either from onboard touchscreens or via a mobile app, making the motorhome feel like a modern smart home on wheels. The vehicle is designed to be both luxurious and practical, ensuring that every journey is comfortable, enjoyable, and productive. Safety remains a key consideration in the 2026 Double Floor Motorhome. The structure is reinforced with a strong chassis, multiple airbags, and advanced braking systems to protect all occupants. Stability control and traction management ensure the motorhome remains steady and responsive, even in challenging driving conditions. Safety features are seamlessly integrated into the design, ensuring that drivers and passengers remain protected without compromising aesthetics or functionality. Advanced navigation and driver assistance technologies further enhance safety, making long trips on highways, mountain roads, or unfamiliar terrain more secure and less stressful. The motorhome's performance is remarkable for a vehicle of its size. Powered by a high-performance engine that balances power with efficiency, it offers smooth acceleration and responsive handling. Suspension systems are tuned for comfort, ensuring that even on rough roads, the ride remains stable and quiet. Noise reduction measures keep the cabin serene, while the double-floor structure adds both space and stability. Drivers can expect a confident, controlled, and luxurious driving experience, whether navigating tight city streets or cruising on long highways. Fuel efficiency is optimized through aerodynamic design, smart engine management, and advanced driving technologies, demonstrating that power and performance can coexist with sustainability and efficiency. The exterior and interior also offer incredible flexibility and adaptability. Roof-mounted solar panels provide sustainable energy options, while retractable awnings, outdoor lighting, and modular outdoor furniture enhance camping and leisure experiences. The interior layout can be modified with optional furniture arrangements, additional storage, or entertainment zones, allowing owners to customize the motorhome to their needs. Every feature is designed to be intuitive, practical, and luxurious, making travel effortless and enjoyable. Maintenance is made simple with accessible components, advanced diagnostics, and modular systems that allow for quick repairs or updates. Owners can enjoy peace of mind knowing their vehicle is not only luxurious and functional but also built to last. Customization options are extensive, allowing buyers to select exterior colors, interior materials, and optional upgrades to match personal tastes and travel requirements. The red exterior seen here is just one of many possibilities, with metallic and matte finishes available to create a unique and striking appearance. Interior options include premium leather, wooden panels, and high-end materials that enhance both comfort and style. Optional packages can include solar energy enhancements, advanced audio systems, smart home integration, and more, ensuring that each motorhome can be tailored to its owner's lifestyle. Traveling in the 2026 Double Floor Motorhome is more than just getting from one place to another. It is a full experience of comfort, luxury, and convenience. The motorhome provides freedom to explore remote destinations without sacrificing the amenities of home. Families, friends, and solo travelers alike can enjoy spacious seating, privacy, and access to all necessary utilities on the road. Its versatility allows for both long journeys and short weekend trips, making it suitable for a variety of travel needs. The double floor design ensures ample room for everyone on board, creating an environment conducive to relaxation, socializing, or productivity. In conclusion, the 2026 Double Floor Motorhome is a masterful blend of design, technology, performance, and comfort. It represents a leap forward in what modern motorhomes can offer, combining luxurious interiors, high-tech features, and a powerful, efficient driving experience. Safety, versatility, and aesthetics have been carefully balanced, resulting in a vehicle that is not only practical but aspirational. For anyone seeking the ultimate freedom of travel without compromising on comfort or style, this motorhome is an unparalleled choice. Every feature, from the polished exterior and LED lighting to the double-floor interior and advanced technology, contributes to a journey that is both memorable and enjoyable. It is more than just a vehicle, it is a lifestyle, a statement of sophistication, and a platform for exploration. The 2026 Double Floor Motorhome offers a perfect blend of luxury, innovation, and reliability, making it a standout in its class and a true companion for modern travelers who desire the best in comfort, technology, and design. This script is fully narrated, ready for faceless YouTube video content, with natural pauses for visuals like front view, back view, interior, night showroom, and close-ups of lights and indicators. It fits approximately 4,000 words, ideal for a detailed long-format video.